My dear students, here I am teaching you textual exercise unit 1 A reading. Today I am teaching you the table related to the A reading. Here is the table. Pick out from the text the examples that support these attributes. Pick out from the text the examples that support these attributes. What is an attribute? An attribute is a word, something used as a symbol of a particular person. Attribute means quality or character or characteristics of a particular person. మనం ఏం చేయాలి ఇప్పుడు ఈ టేబుల్లో సీరియల్ నెంబర్, attribute, example from the text. Serial number 1 to 10 are there. We have to write the attribute, correct attribute of the person Nick Vujicic and give the example from the text. We have to find out the text from the lesson A reading and write it in the given space. This is our task. So attributes are there in previous page number 8. We are already put right mark to the attributes which are the qualities of Nick Vujicic. We have to take them and write here in this attribute column. So here is one example is there. Positive. We have to find out the correct sentence related to this attribute in the lesson A reading. Let's find out. Here is the answer. In spite of his disability, he has become great. In spite of his disability, he has become great. అతనికి డిసేబిలిటీ ఉన్నప్పటికీ గొప్పవాడుగా మారాడు. దట్ ఈస్ హిజ్ పాజిటివ్ యాటిట్యూడ్. సెకండ్ అట్రిబ్యూట్ ఆప్టిమిస్టిక్. వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద కరెక్ట్ సెంటెన్స్ రిలేటెడ్ టు దిస్ ఆప్టిమిస్టిక్ attribute. Here we have to find out that sentence that related to the attribute optimistic. Nick always hoped that good things would happen. ఆశావాహ దృక్పథంతో ముందుకు వెళ్ళడం ఆప్టిమిస్టిక్. నిక్ ఆల్వేస్ హోప్డ్ దట్ గుడ్ థింగ్స్ వుడ్ హ్యాపెన్, మంచి జరుగుతుందనే భావన ఉండడం. జనరస్. నిక్ ఈజ్ ఎవర్ రెడీ టు గివ్ హోప్ టు అదర్స్. దిస్ ఈజ్ రిలేటెడ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫ్రమ్ ద టెక్స్ట్. కాన్ఫిడెంట్. నిక్ ఈజ్ వెరీ షూర్ ఆఫ్ హిజ్ ఎబిలిటీస్. చాలా కాన్ఫిడెంట్గా ఉండేవాడు నిక్. This example, this text is the related text for the attribute confident. Smart. Nick has beautiful eyes. He is intelligent too. Here the two texts are there. One answer is smart, beautiful, and the another one is intelligent. Nick has beautiful eyes. He is intelligent too. These two sentences are suitable for the attribute smart. Sociable. Nick loves to spend time with others. This is the attribute related to this text. Courageous. Nick is very bold in accepting his condition. Nick is very bold in accepting his condition. తన కండిషన్ యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయడం కూడా చాలా ధైర్యం ఉండాలి. ఇట్ ఈస్ కరేజియస్. రిలయబుల్. నిక్ ఈజ్ డిపెండబుల్. హీ ఈజ్ ట్రస్ట్వర్తీ. చాలా నమ్మదగినటువంటి వ్యక్తి. Independent. Nick's parents trained him to be independent. He succeeded in that. This is the attribute related text. And the 10th one is dependent. Nick has no limbs. Physically he depends on helpers. This is the correct text for the attribute dependent. In this page number 9 we have another task. Tick right mark the word or expression which is nearest in meaning to the word underlined in each sentence given below. Which is nearest in meaning to the word underlined. అండర్లైన్ చేయబడినటువంటి పదమునకి దగ్గరగా ఉన్నటువంటి మీనింగ్ని మనం రైట్ మార్క్తో టిక్ చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ వన్. వాటర్ స్పోర్ట్స్ ఆరెంట్ నిక్స్ ఓన్లీ థింగ్. He also plays golf with a club tucked under his chin. అండర్లైన్ చేసినటువంటి వర్డ్ టక్డ్. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయాలి? ఈ టక్డ్ అనేటటువంటి వర్డ్కు నియరెస్ట్ మీనింగ్ని మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. దెర్ ఆర్ 4 చాయిసెస్ ఆర్ దేర్. ఏ కెప్ట్, బి పుల్డ్, సి కవర్డ్, డి టైడ్. టక్డ్ అంటే కెప్ట్ ఉంచుకోవడము. సెకండ్ వన్, హిజ్ డిస్ట్రాట్ మదర్ కుడెంట్ బ్రింగ్ హర్సెల్ఫ్ టు హోల్డ్ హిమ్ అంటిల్ హీ వాజ్ 4 months old. Underlined word is distraught. Let's find out the meaning of distraught. A angry, B careless, C shy, D anxious. D is the correct answer, anxious. Third one, despite the risk of bullying, his parents insisted on Nick's attending mainstream. Underlined word is bullying. Here the answers are A discrimination, B humiliation, C negligence, D failure. The meaning of the bullying is humiliation. Fourth one, Nick, who was teased and bullied, had an electric wheelchair for mobility and a team of carers to help him. Here the underlined word is mobility. The meaning of the mobility, nearest meaning of the mobility is, let's find out. A socializing, B movement, C travel, D safety. The answer is movement. B is the right answer. Fifth one, Nick managed to pull through to become an international symbol of triumph over adversity. Here the underlined word is adversity. Let's find out the meaning. A disability, B poverty, C difficulties, D opposition. The meaning of the adversity is difficulties. Sixth one, the challenges in our lives are there to strengthen our convictions. Underlined word is convictions. A feelings, B practices, C beliefs, D characters. The correct answer is beliefs.